Hey y'all, so I'm about to go get some maintenance done on my car, but I just had to tell y'all my new camera though. Do you see how clear this thing is? So I got me the Osmo Action 4 camera because I seen everybody talking about the Pocket the Pocket 3 one, whatever. I was like, that's not discreet enough for me. This little thing right here is small and I love it. So like, let me just show y'all a little bit in the camera. Like, y'all see how small that is? Yeah. Y'all, I'm about to get more vlogs because I'm somebody that doesn't really like recording in public because I'm an introvert, and sometimes I just be like so awkward. So I was like, why am I out of breath? So I was like, I need something very tiny like this. Ain't no way I could put this down and anybody gonna see where I put it. Okay, that's how discreet this thing is, and I love it. So let's go get some maintenance done on my car. Y'all can follow me throughout my day.
Yeah, smooth ride, feeling good, vibe tight, in the zone all night. Ooh, 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 yeah, feeling good, vibe tight, in the zone.
So my maintenance is done on my car, and I'm back home. I'm about to go to Macy's. I need a dress to wear to this formal birthday party. Like, why? Why can't I just put on some sneakers and jeans? Now I gotta go get a dress. Don't get me wrong, I love to get dressed up, but we'll see. Oh, 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 I got my boots on the ground. Hey, hey, where them fans at? Oh, 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 I got my boots on the ground. Where them fans at? Where you going? There's too much people. Yeah. Say hi.
Hi, I need a black dress.
So I found this dress, y'all. I'm vlogging. Isn't this the cutest? I'm gonna get me some black. I got some black heels at home to wear with this. And I'm gonna have my curly hair. Period, poo. So what are we thinking? Is it a yes for the dress? For this damn formal wear birthday party. Really bad. I didn't want to take my sweats off, but booty looking right. But I'm also not in a good outfit. The dress. Are we thinking this is a yes? I think so. It's a little snug though around the belly area, but around over there. This is what it comes with. This is what I come with. This is what I come with. You better like this fupa, cause I'ma put it on your forehead. But anyways, it is a yes for the dress. So this is my food, y'all. We couldn't find a table because it was so damn packed up in here. Yeah. I started eating it already though. So I got some stuff and my dinner. No. It's nice.
But you're not buying it.
No. I bought enough skirts today, right?
And this look like my bag.
Huh?
I have no use that I'm not using.
Why are you not using it?
Because I don't have it.
Oh, this is a nice bag.
How much is this?
300. How I do?
$3.95.
It says $3.95. So we are finally leaving Macy's after how many hours? We've been here since 12. We've been here since 12. It's 3:48. So I'm about to go to Walmart to get me a mop because mine is a mess. But so I am probably gonna do some more writing later tonight. So I remember last time I had mentioned to y'all that I was doing an initiative for Onyx Collective, and I was going to do the social work story, but then I was trying to figure out the plot and the story, the plot twist, the storyline, all it was just not working for me. So I ended up coming up with another idea, which is more, I wanted to get the feel of when I first watched Jordan Peele's Get Out or Us. So I wanted to give that kind of feel in this book. So it's going to be a horror. So this is going to be my first horror that I'm writing. So the fact that I'm doing a horror for an initiative, and it's not like just me doing it to, you know, put out another book, which eventually I will once this whole process goes through. First, obviously, we have to see like what's the outcome of it, if, you know, they like the manuscript or whatever. But so that's the type. So I wanted to get a Jordan Peele type of feel with this book. So being that this is my first horror book, I am doing my due diligence by researching, reading horror. Like, I already read horror books, but to actually sit down and write one, child, we gonna see. But I'm gonna do it because this idea is like really important. It definitely surrounds racism, colorism, and all of that type of stuff. Now, yes, that is like the part of the theme, but it's not the main focus, sort of, kinda. Like, I still want it to be, you know, entertaining and horror-like kind of feel, so I'm not trying to make it too serious. I don't know if I'm explaining this properly, but it's gonna be horror. It may or may not, depending on the route that I go, be a supernatural horror, the idea that I had in my mind about it. But again, because this is new territory for me, I really want to make sure I research, I read, and all of that type of stuff before I really get into it. So I already started like the outlining part of it. So I really just like, I really want to watch more black horror movies, read more black horror books, just to get that feel of what is expected in that genre, since this is my first time, you know, getting into it. Why is this man up all under my ass? Damn. But yes, that's what your girl is working on right now. I gotta get it done ASAP because the initiative, the deadline is August. So I'm like, okay, I do have enough time. I do have enough time because it's only, we got like the last week of March, April, May, June, July. I should be able to have it done, edited by July. But if I do it, I feel like if I don't complete it in time, I am going to publish the book, which, depending on the outcome of this whole initiative, I'm probably going to publish it anyway, but after everything is done. So that's really what my plan is. Yeah. So, and then on top of that, I'm also working on my Say I Do book, which is coming out June 17th. So okay, my main character, Ivy Edwards, is very, what's the word? Besides unhinged, I feel like we use unhinged a lot. But to be honest, that's really what she was. The girl is crazy. The girl done lost it. Like, this is my thing. Like, I always want to like ask people, like, what was the point in your life where you may have been in a relationship or dealing with somebody where you were like, I need to stop talking to this person before I commit a crime? Like, drop a comment below and please tell me, like, what was the straw that broke the camel's back where you was just like, oh, I gotta get out of here before I end up in prison. Alright, y'all, so I am done for the day. I'm about to go home and chill. So thank you guys for spending the day with me.